you can right-click your layer, open attribute table, find the, what do you call this, the province name and under name underscore 1, and then the city name under name underscore 2, and name underscore 3 would be the barangay name, and name underscore 0 is the country. So I'm gonna do, I think I already showed it, but I'll just show it in the case for the video. I'm gonna look for Cebu, and you can, it's default arranged alphabetically. So you can go, for me, Cebu City or whatever your municipality is. And I'm going to focus on Cebu City, Cebu. What do you call this? Cebu Province, Cebu City. So I'll just highlight everything here. And the only weakness with this way of selection is you might miss some barangays that are like maybe like not categorized properly, or the labels are missing. So if you look at the map here, I was able to select all of it. So the other method is you open attribute table, you go to, I'll just deselect everything. Attribute table, I already have multiple attribute tables. That's another thing, you need to remember to close your attribute table. Okay. And then we'll do expression, select features using expression. That's basically QGIS's way of saying like equations. So you go to fields and values. I want Cebu City specifically. I'll just go name underscore 3. So name underscore 3 equals, I'll search for Cebu City, all unique. Cebu City. Should be name underscore 3, right? And I'll double check again. A, B, C, D, Cebu. Oh, I think it's name underscore 2. Oops. Name underscore 2 equals Cebu City. Expression is invalid. Fields and values, name underscore. Okay, let me just do that again. Name underscore 2 equals Cebu. There we go. So select all features. No matching features found. A, B. But it's clearly here, Cebu City, Cebu space city, name underscore 2, Cebu City, all unique. Select features. There we go. Because it didn't pop up in the equation. So what it looked like earlier was like this. If I select features, you'll get an error. So if you double click this and then you get the full expression, that's how you get to select all those features, Cebu City. Okay, so now that you have selected that, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, by the way. If I'm going too fast, it's just a review. Okay, so the features have been selected. I will, what do you call this? Export the layer, save selected features as, I'll call it Cebu City. And then click OK. I can turn this off. And then I think I can add some population data here. Open attribute table. Let's see here. It's arranged like this. Apas, and I think I'll just manually add the new attributes here. I'll put a new one. Edit. I'll make a new field. I'll call it area. It'll be whole number integer. I think I won't call it that. I call it like population. I'll do population because I want to see where the people are living in the different barangays, or how many people are living in different barangays. So I'll just say, you can leave that blank. I'll just click OK over here. So we have a new field here, population, and then it starts out at Adlaon, etc., etc. And for this, just to save time, I'll just like use Fill Atlas and Cebu City, and it's already given me the population here. Actually, I think I can rename it. Oh, I can't rename it anymore, but I'll use the 2020 population. Actually, I'll just try something out. I'll delete this one. I want to compare the 2020 and the 2015 population. So I'll make population 2015, and then I'll make a population 2020. So this should just take a few minutes, not really too bad. I'll just manually do it. So I can minimize that and open this up. And then if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll just input manually because for me, it's just faster for me because I prefer the manual method because it's like there are less errors that could happen. So 4028 adlaon. We increase this and then decrease this. What are these NL names? So adlaon was 4028 in 2015. Now it's 4413. And then I'll just do this for the rest. I'll do the 2020 first. 2772 24194. That's Agsungot. Wait. Oh, sorry. 2290. 2290. 24591. 5945. There's another way where we input it, as we showed like earlier, a few, like maybe 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago. But it's just like a lot of copy pasting into Excel and then copy pasting into QGIS. For me, this is just faster. You can also do that way, and then you can come back when I'm done or something. But for me, this is just like safer because I can really manually check if I'm doing the right thing. So Bakayan as 14,000, 14,460. Next is Manila, that's 6,000, 6,336. Basak Pardo is 7890. Wait, what's 789? Okay, nalipat ko sa numbers. 17,854. Share mo po screen, huh? Yeah. Okay, if you have any questions, again, feel free to comment. 965 3493 6108. If you have your old file as well with the population data already in, so you don't need to do this. I'm just making a new file, sort of just a refresher for myself. And next is 2828675. So this is, oh, I think I skipped one. Let's see. Budlaan is 8756. Bobon is 6108. Buhisan is 19,000. Bulacau is 28675. Buot Pardo is 2927. And Busay is a lot more people than I thought. 17,145. Calamba is 9834. Then see, Calamba is next is Kambinokot 3424. Putao 17,4. Capital Site 12,604. Careta is 11,398. Central is, okay, it's different here. It's Cogon Pardo. Just double check if we got the right names. 2828. I also feel this is like useful for me because like I can review how many people are living where in like my city. So you might, yeah, I think it's beneficial for anyone in the planning industry or in like urban design to familiarize yourself with where are the people living in your area, because that's where you'll be designing, where the most people are. Cogon Ramos 2693, Dias 3815, Dulho 15851, Mita 8541, Guadalupe, wait, Dulho is 15,000, 50,851. And this is supposed to be Cogon Ramos at 2693. Dias is Dias is 3815. Dulho, after Dulho is Ermita 8541. Uh, Guadalupe is 70039. Do 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 do. Guba is 55732. And then Hipodromo 9574. Minayawan is 32,675. Coincidentally, not just like trivia, is Guadalupe in Cebu City is apparently the most populous barangay in the whole Visayas region. So at 70,000 people. Kalubihan is 663. Kalunasan is 28230. Magayan is 2004. Sambagan is 7967. Kinasangan Prab 67967. Wait. Oh, I just copied the wrong thing. Kinasangan Pardo is 18756. Labangon. Labangon's fairly large, 832,825. We're almost done. Let's see, Lorega is 1227, 12273. Alurasan. Oh no, oh wait, that's Lahog. Lahog is 45,853. 853. Lorega 12273. Lusuran 2595. Luz is 16175. Polo. That giving me Mabini first. Mabini 2307. Bola 21616. And then wait, I had accidentally overwrote my number 16 on it. Mabini is 2307 1616. Lubog is 3316. Mambiling is 3459. Aina Central 5639. Aina San Nicolas 2743. Ardo Pamutan. Saan yung Pamutan? Here we go. 11173. 1773. Ardo 016. Parian 1058. Aril is 1847. Asil is 8395. 7752. Pulang Batu 8037. Almost, just a little bit more. 233. Santa Princesa is 22658. Pardo is 27. What? Cute Pardo. 984. 11526. Bug 2 is 12173. 2060. 827. 327. Let's see, San Roque is 31. 2105 82114 7676. Let's see, San Roque is 3185. Santa Cruz is, let's skip one. Santa Cruz 2105. Ang Dako is 8214. 2676. Tinsin is 2578. Sirao 3647. Senior Santo Niño. I think this is a Barangay Central. Let's see, Suba Poblacion 10,000. Lone 1 3273. 4229. 671. 2270. 1144. Access Talamban at 33382. Next is Tap Tap 2484. Hero 14084. Inago is 6700. And then Taong Prado is 4549. Tapatera, oh, it says 47364. 4549. And then finally 297. And there's some missing values here. I just want to save it just in case. Okay, there's some blank values somewhere. Senior Santo Niño. I think it's Barangay Central. I'll just double check in my map. And close that. Where are you? Yep, that's Barangay Central over there. Although the boundary is not updated. Let me check if there are any other null values here. That's one. Oh, there's only one. I'll just Google Barangay Central. So that's 708. 781. Rename. Edit. Make sure to toggle the editing mode here, the yellow pencil. 781. And once you're done, you can save it. You can also save at any point just to make sure you don't lose the data. Okay. So that took a bit longer than I thought, but at least now we know that the numbers are correct, or basically as correct as we can make it. So with that, let's create our, I'll just save this as a project. Output, I'll call this a barangay map, Cebu City. And I would ask you to do your own city. If you're from Cebu, then you're lucky because I'm from Cebu as well. So you can just follow the same process. The quicker way is the one where you copy paste the data into an Excel file and then you import that Excel file into QGIS. There's some sort of errors with the notes. But there should be updated versions of that process on YouTube. I think I can also do that later. I just like doing it manually because like, I'm kind of afraid like there are typos somewhere and like it will mess up my map. Okay, now we'll go to properties. I want to show symbology. I'll show categorized. Maybe graduated would be better. Yeah, graduated would be better. I want 5 classes and I want the value to focus on population 2020. I'll classify. And then I think I can edit the numbers here. Let's see here. Legend format. Here we go, the precision. So this will like simplify the value. So if you see here, makita na ako mouse. For anyone, just double check who's there.
Yes, sir. Kita ra.
Okay. So notice if I pull this down, the legend becomes more simplified. So it's currently at 0 to 10,000. If I make this higher, I wish I could make this bigger. Hang on. For some reason, the precision is kind of like cut. So notice the legend is simplified. It's at 663 to 267 over here. If I press the button down, it rounds it up. So 660 to 2670. If I press it down even more, 700 to 2007. I think this is a good value. So it's easier to read, easier to remember. So I'll change the color ramp from white to red to maybe something a bit more, okay, let's say yellow and red. I just don't want a white color on my gradient. So now the actual values here are on the left side next to the color symbol. It's about 600 to 2,600 people, but the legend will say 700 to 2,700. It just makes it easier to look at, and then like you don't have to like see the actual numbers. So I'll click apply and OK. And you see the population in Cebu City as of 2020 is really focused more on the sort of inland and not really so much the shore or the port areas, because these areas here are very likely industrial areas, so not a lot of people are living here. The big subdivisions are here. Let me select that for you. That's open attribute table. Here, that's Guadalupe, very big land area. Also, one of the highest populations in what do you call this? The Visayas region. Next one is over here, Lahug. And the next one, I think I don't need to minimize this. I'll just put this like this so you can see. And the next one here, I think that's Talamban over there. Yep, that's Talamban. Talamban, Lahug, Guadalupe, probably like the highest populations. And then if you want, you can also increase the sort of classifications. Maybe you want 7, but I really advise maximum 7. I think 6 would be okay. Let's say 6. I'm feeling 7 actually. Click apply. Okay. So now it's a little bit more graduated. There's from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, the legend looks a bit too busy with 7. I'll just make it 6. 6 classes. Classify, apply. Okay. So you can see in Cebu City, the concentration is really here, a few kilometers inland. And then once you get to the mountainous areas, there's really no more sort of population there. Okay. Cancel. I think I want to show Philippine Admin 3 as well, but I don't want to show the whole map, but maybe something like this now. And then I'll change the properties here just so it'll look a little bit more contrasted, maybe something like that. Let's lower the opacity a bit, something like that. And now you have already the beginnings of a very good looking map. Let's add the labels. Properties, go to labels, single labels. Make sure you highlight name _3 because those are the barangay names. I want to draw the text buffer, apply, click OK. So now it's a little bit, what do you call this? The names are like overlapping because the map size is like a bit too small. So, whoops, didn't mean to do that. I wanted to zoom in something like that. Let me zoom in like that. So we can change the properties of the labels over here. Oh. So we reduce the size to say like 0.5. Not really properties. Text buffer is good at 1. I'll change the font size here. Text. Credit size 5. Let's try. Credit's 10. I want to change it to 5. See what it looks like. Bit too small. Maybe 7. And I'll reduce the buffer to like 0.6. Something like that. You have to zoom in like this. Okay. Maybe you can help fix it with the layout. Anyway, so this is basically our exercise for this afternoon. Not really afternoon, but I can submit this next week. So just a review. So I know that we're all on the same page. We can still do this. Highlight your barangay, then create a classification up to 6 maximum. 6 classifications like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then let's move on to the final step. Just creating a new print layout. I'll call this like Cebu City Barangay. And the next step that I didn't get to show is like to put in the 2015 population values. So I'll do that now. So I want to see like on like one page, see, add picture, not picture, add map. I want to see the population in 2020. I think I'll put it over here, 2020. Okay. I think we can't do it on the same map. We have to make 2 files. So I'll just make it like this. I want 2 images, 2 sort of submissions, the 2020 population and the 2015 population. And next week we'll discuss how the movements happen with a little bit of urban design sort of principles. And then also next week we'll discuss like the final project, which will probably take about 2 weeks to make. And then that will be your final exam. Okay, so I want this to be a bit bigger. Where is it? I think this is the one. Oh no, this one. No, not that. Here. It's the move item content button I was trying to find. I want the scale to be a bit 90,000. We want to, still not big enough. 200. 50. 130. Close. Just want to trim that a bit. I want to change the boundaries a bit. Okay, 300. Let's move it a bit to the center here. The top part is cropped. It's okay. Let's move this a little bit taller like that. So this is one image. I'll make another one for the 2015 values. So something like that. Just make sure your city or municipality isn't cropped in the image. Yeah, okay, something like this. And it will be up to you how to label your map. For me, I just want to do it this way so I can get the most map in like on the page. And then I'll put in my text here. The map title should be here. Include the city or municipality name, Cebu City, and the Cebu Province. Let's say Cebu City, Cebu. population 2020. Let's increase the font a bit. Let's double that to 20. Okay, that's too much. Maybe 14. Justify center maybe. Yeah. And let's make it a bit bold. Okay, that looks good. And then, so you have your location over there. I need to add our legend. Legend. It's over here. So hopefully master na mo ani. I'll remove that. I think something like that. Or maybe I need to put your names here na lang. So name and date created. Let's see, April 30. Just left. Something like that. And I forgot our scale bars. Move this item here. Scale bar somewhere over here would be good. Make it go a little bit like that. Increase the segments. You want it to go to the right. Increase the right segment to like 4 is okay. Let's see. Move it a bit more. I think I can reduce the size a bit over here. Fix with height. Let's make it 2. X. Display. Font. I'll use the size like 6. Maybe 7. Okay. I think that's good. And the north symbol, whichever north symbol you want. I'll just go with the simple one over here. It's just a bit like so. Okay, so this is a 2020 population. I'll save it. I'll print it. Export as image. Cebu City Barangays 2020 population. And then I'll do the 2015 population now. So I'll save this. I'll go to open attribute table, and I'll do the same process, but with the 2015 numbers. So I think I can stop recording here.